I cannot able to put my chain here because the gearing here for the chain, I cannot able to see it. It's all a burning plastic. Well, it's up to you if you're gonna buy this Priyama. This is what I got. I got this one yesterday, and now it's burning plastics. It's junk. Just one tree I cut and it's not even finished. And this is what I got on Priyama 68cc, but I don't know if this one is 68, though probably it's 62cc. And I have the 24-inch bar, but I also have the 20-inch bar also. The machine is good though, but the only thing here is this one. It's plastic. This one is plastic. Now it burnings here on the side. There's no like a washer, metal washer here, so it will prevent the, I don't know what is this called, this one going inside here. No, it's digging here from this plastic. I cannot able to put chain. And it's non-refundable if you gonna order in Amazon. Non-returnable, but I called Amazon and they said I'm gonna get a refund on this one, even though it says on the seller it's non-returnable or non-refundable. But good thing Amazon going to refund me in 5 to 7 days, hoping I will receive a refund and buy a expensive chainsaw. Still, I have enough with this cheap chainsaw. Then at the end you'll have a hard time. It's expensive though. This one, it cost me 358 something on this chainsaw. I got this one yesterday and I ran yesterday too, but it's still burning. And I tried today just cutting one tree, and this is what I got. And it's not even finished though. I didn't even finish cutting the tree, so I have to use my other chainsaw. I didn't expect I got this kind of experience, because when I searched it on YouTube, it was all positive reviews. So I was so excited, like trying this chainsaw, probably like hoping this one will last to me, but unfortunately it only lasts 2 days. Well, that's it, guys. I don't know if you guys can able to help me. Maybe I can repair this one. I don't know what is this called though, and this gearing, and yeah, just tell me what parts do I need in order to fix this one, or like send me link. Yeah, I'll try to fix this one. If not, just throw in the garbage. It's, yeah, hope after 5 to 7 days, when I receive my refund, I'll go to the store, local store, and buy a stall chainsaw. so that it will last me probably like 5 to 10 years. And also if I need parts, I can easily buy parts because it's very well known chainsaw.